All right, so this is going to be another video of solving a problem using factoring and zero product property. Okay, so the problem we have right here, it's x to the third minus 25x equals 0. Okay, so it's already set to equal to 0, so we're set to go with zero product property, except the fact that we have x to the third minus 25x. So right now we have a difference rather than a product, so we need zero product property, so we need a product to use that. So what I'm going to do is factor this out so that I get that product. So the common factor between these two terms in this equation right here, on this side of the equation, would be x. So I'm going to put an x in front, and then x, if you factor it out of this x cubed right here, it would be x squared. So x times x squared is x cubed, and then I'm going to factor an x out of this minus 25x. So it should be x times minus 25 to get minus 25x. And then this is set equal to 0. Now, if you remember from zero product property, each one of these factors in the product, so this x in this case and this x squared minus 25, has to be set equal to 0 in order to use zero product property and solve for both of these zeros in the equation. So this x is already equal to 0. This one right here, you can factor it a little bit more if you wanted to do x plus 5 and x minus 5, but it might be easier just to add 25 to the other side, like so, and then to get rid of that square, just square root both sides, and then x would be equal to plus or minus 5. Now again, you could have just done zero product property on this and gotten x plus 5 in parentheses and then x minus 5 in parentheses equal to 0, and then solved each of these equal to 0 as well with zero product property, and you would get the same thing. Okay, here you would get x equals 5, and here you would get x is equal to negative 5. So if you notice, this matches both of these right here. Okay, ultimately the final answer is going to be this 0 and positive or negative 5. It doesn't actually matter how you solve it. So if you have any questions about anything in this video, let me know.